I want you to answer this honestly. How many times have you told yourself, tomorrow I'll start, tomorrow I'll study, tomorrow I'll go to the gym, tomorrow I'll stop procrastinating. Then tomorrow comes and somehow nothing changes. What's strange is you aren't lazy. You can spend hours scrolling on your phone. You can binge watch an entire series. But 30 minutes of doing something that could change your life feels impossible. So you start blaming yourself. Maybe I'm just lazy. Maybe I don't have discipline. But I don't think that's true. I think discipline feels impossible because you've been fighting the wrong battle. Today, I want to show you 5 reasons why discipline is so hard and how to finally change that. Number 1, stop waiting for tomorrow. Every undisciplined person has one habit. We keep saying, I'll start tomorrow. The problem is, tomorrow never feels different. And after saying it enough times, you stop believing yourself. Imagine having a friend who constantly promises to show up but never does. Eventually, you stop trusting them. That's exactly what happens between you and yourself. Every promise you break teaches your brain, my words don't matter. Discipline starts the moment your actions becomes louder than your excuses. Number 2, your brain isn't lazy, it's afraid. For the longest time, I thought something was wrong with me. Why was it easy to spend hours on my phone, but so difficult to spend 30 minutes chasing my goals? Then I realized my brain wasn't trying to make me fail. It was trying to keep me comfortable. Comfort feels safe. Start something new doesn't. Your brain would rather keep you where nothing can hurt you, even if that place is keeping you stuck. That's why discipline feels uncomfortable. Because growth always begins where comfort ends. Number 3, you keep looking at the whole mountain. One reason discipline disappears is because we make the goal too big. I need to lose 20 kilos. I need to study for 6 hours. I need to change my whole life. Your brain sees that and immediately wants to run away. Instead, focus on the next step. Read 1 page. Do 5 push-ups. Study for 10 minutes. One small step never feels impossible. And that's how real discipline is built. Not by giant leaps, but by tiny decisions repeated every day. Number 4, stop chasing perfection. Most people think disciplined people never fail. That's not true. They miss workouts, they procrastinate, they have bad days too. The difference is that they don't quit because of one mistake. Imagine getting one flat tire, then slashing the other 3. That's exactly what giving up after one bad day looks like. Perfection doesn't build discipline. Coming back does. Again and again and again. Number 5, discipline is really self-respect. I don't think discipline is waking up at 5 a.m. or taking cold showers or having the perfect morning routine. I think discipline is much simpler. It's keeping promises to yourself. It's choosing your future over your comfort. Every time you do something you said you would do, you tell yourself, I'm someone I can trust, and little by little, that trust becomes confidence. I'm not making this video because I've mastered discipline. I'm making it because almost every week, I have to choose between giving up or showing up one more time. Some days I lose, some days I waste time, some days I don't feel like doing anything. Some days I genuinely wonder if all of this is even worth it. But every single time I come back, I become someone I wasn't yesterday. Maybe that's what discipline really is. Not becoming perfect, not always feeling motivated, not having everything figured out. Maybe discipline is simply refusing to let one bad day become a bad life. Because one day you look back and realize your life didn't change because of one huge decision. It's changed because you get to make one small choice, even when nobody was watching. So don't worry about becoming disciplined forever. Just keep your promise. Today, tomorrow, do it again. One day, you'll thank yourself for not giving up.